Hi, I would like to take this moment to thank you for taking this course. I hope this learning journey till now has been fast, direct, and useful for you. Let's continue to learn a few more things about WordPress before we finish building this personal blog. In this video, we are going to learn about widgets. Widgets are important components of a WordPress website because they allow you to show certain content or functionality for different pages of your website. Let's go. To begin playing with widgets, you can find them under the Appearance tab. Under Appearance, go to Widgets. Remember the blocks of content that you see previously on your website? They are exactly what is over here under the sidebar section. If you remember, there is a search, recent posts, recent comments, and etc. If you notice, there are also some widgets that have our theme name in it. For example, the recent comments, the recent posts, and video. This is because these widgets are provided by us from our team. Yes, once again, you might have different set of widgets according to your team. Besides your team, you can also get widgets from plugins, which we will discuss later in the course. Let me begin to show you how you can manage your widgets. You can drag them to change their order or expand them to edit them. As you can see here, there are some settings for each widget for you to customize. All these are very intuitive and very easy to work with. One thing to note, however, is that some changes here are live. For example, if you change the order of the widget, add a new one, or delete them, they will be reflected immediately on your website. For the content, however, like the title or the settings, saving is needed for the changes to be updated. Let me show you how to change and add a widget right now. If we go to the meta block, we can remove the meta block like this. Now, let's say we want to add a video. I can click on the video, select the section that I want, and add the widget. If you go back to your website, as an example, go to a blog post, you can see the new widget appearing here, which is blank right now. I'm not sure why WordPress make it this way, but this is how it is working right now. Just keep this in mind, especially when you are working on a website that already has a stream of visitors to it. For a website like this, you might want to do this fast and on periods of lower traffic to minimize the impact to the visitors. Let's go back to our widget section in the admin panel and add a video for this blog here. Go to YouTube, copy the URL of the video that you would like, and paste it back here. Hit save, and you should see the video appearing on your website. Once the loading is complete, go back to your website, refresh, and you should see the video appearing. Notice also how the meta section been removed from your website. Going back to the admin section of the widgets, I want you now to take a look at a powerful widget here. The text widget. It says arbitrary text or HTML. This is a very powerful widget as you can use HTML codes in here. Once you have learned how to code HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can do amazing stuff just with this widget alone. For any sections of content that says you can use HTML, you can also use CSS and JavaScript within it. Once you understand how all these programming languages work together, you will know why this is the case.